B58 is such a potent platform, and BMW has put this engine in so many different chassis. But today, if you come with me, we have a beautiful X4 M40i that's in our shop right now. It is all matte black. It's Batman spec. It's really, really sick. But we'll show you guys, we put our full catback exhaust on this car and it sounds incredible. It still has the stock downpipe and it sounds this good. For you owners with the X4 M40i's, we're gonna show you guys all the sound characteristics. Startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper and you'll have the pleasure of sitting inside the car with Pierce and I to show you guys exactly what your X4 M40i is gonna sound like with the ultimate exhaust solution. Let's get to the sound. Also something to note as well, I didn't even go over the beautiful carbon fiber tips that are on this car. If you come close, you guys can see we have our 1x1 carbon fiber tips, which look absolutely magnificent on this all black car. So let's hop inside, let's go for a ride and see what it sounds like. Alrighty folks, we are inside the X4 M40i, going for a nice little cruise. We are in comfort mode with the valves closed. And you know, this is somebody's baby hauler. You know, we have a kid seat in the back, show them. We have a kid seat in the back. So you need to be able to retain functionality with the car and make sure the valves, when it's closed, it sounds like it's bone stock or even quieter. And then when you do not have your child in the car and you're on a back road, you can have some fun. Warming up the car, making sure it's up to operating temperature before we do any high RPM maneuvers. Very quiet, very docile in here. This being the perfect daily driver, I think this is the exact exhaust setup that you would need. There's a Golf behind me going 400 miles an hour. He needs a Valvetronic exhaust.
Sounds terrible.
Sounds absolutely awful. But you know what doesn't sound awful? This X4 M40i. Open up the valves. Still in comfort. You can hear the clear difference. So much drama in here as well. We could pop the little sunshade. Valves open. Valves closed. Valves open. This is just in comfort as well. Let's throw this guy in sport. Hear the overrun? Oh! That puts you back, no?
A little bit.
That was surprising. I wonder if this car is tuned.
Dude, it's gotta be.
All the overrun. That's what the B58s are known for. Let's close this guy up. Stock downpipe. Like, this is so good. You know, we get it. System's expensive, but, you know, to have this flexibility of being able to have all these overruns, burbles, click one button, put us back in comfort, back in drive. It's like it's bone stock in here. So valves are closed. We're gonna go in sport here. When I hit second gear, I'm gonna open up the valves so you guys can hear. Drop the windows a little bit. Here we go. Closed. Open. Might get some echo here. You know, for the only mod that's on this car, I really don't think you could go wrong. Look at some nice whip cracks here. I mean, it just sounds awesome.
Sure got intakes too.
No, it doesn't. Very nice. You know, the burbles and everything are cool, but, you know, we wanted to chase after a sound that is like no other for the B58. Everyone can straight pipe it. Everyone can do a muffler delete. But you know what? To have like a true good resonance and tone behind this exhaust was, you know, our goal. Obviously, we love the pops and cracks and, you know, it being super loud, but with stock downpipe, being able to get this sound, you can't beat it. We're gonna throw you guys outside now for some flybys. that, everyone, is the ultimate B58 experience for your X4 M40i. We had a blast filming this. I think the whole car looks really, really good, especially paired with those carbon fiber tips out back. If you guys are interested in getting one of these for your X4 platform, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. We'd be happy to take care of you. We have a live chat. We have a phone number that you can call. Real people behind the phone that you can talk to about your build. This car had the stock downpipe like I mentioned earlier, but we're gonna be throwing some freer flowing components up front if you get what I'm saying, and we'll do another video then. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the ultimate B58 experience, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.